Okay, so welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm having the WeePro Antifog visor insert.
Can I be your superhero?
So what is so special about this visor insert is it doesn't require any pin lock to install this Antifog. So it's just the stick type that is being sold by WeePro. So what is so special about this is because the pin lock versions, you have the curve to lock the pin lock in place. So I'll show you an example. So as you can see here, I have a visor with pin lock installed. So the way it's installed is it's being pushed against this pin lock, creating a seal throughout the visor. But however, for this, you won't need to be afraid that there's gaps or whatsoever, because this will be sticking onto your visors. So today I will have two visors without pin lock and fogs up very easily, and this is the chance to use up the WeePro Antifog visors, the Antifog inserts. So I have two here. One will be going to the yellow visor, and one will be for the clear visor. So let's start by having a look at the user guide. So okay, let's start with the installation process. So the first process is it asks us to remove the positioning mask with the red tag. So we have to take off this whole thing, and then after that we'll be aligning it with the visor on the helmet. So let's go ahead and do that. And after removing, make sure this top part is not in contact with dust or the floor. So after you take this off, place it at a safe place, and next remove the remove. So this is actually a double-sided tape for you to temporarily stick onto your visor, so that this is actually a guide for you to like position the insert later on inside the visor. So let's go ahead and take it off, and let's position this thing. mm, so is it good? Let's check. It's not yet, so let's try to reposition it better. Okay, so the next step is to remove the visor from the helmet. Okay, let's go ahead and remove that. I've already removed the fasteners, so it should just come right off. Next is the tough part. So we have to align the plus part of this to this. So let's go ahead and do it now. But you have to flex the visor, the insert, so that it goes around like this. So you have to start from the middle and work your way to the sides. Slowly stick them. And they provide you with this soft fabric cloth so that you can push them from the sides. So go ahead and do this. So just apply them. This is actually glue, so put in mind is that you have to make sure that the seal is good. So it's pretty much aligned. And then next is to make sure everything here fits nicely. Oops. And next is, yep, I've already done the fourth step. So use the soft fabric and press the glue around it for the best adhesion. Then next is to remove the protective film and remove the positioning mask. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's try and see. So this is how to install the anti-fog visor. Simple, very efficient. So let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see that defogging doesn't occur on the anti-fog. So let's do that again. See, so effective. So next I'll be doing it on the color visor, and after that I will do another test on this clear visor. So the same process, we will put back the visor on the helmet first to ensure the positioning is at the place where I want the anti-fog to be. Okay, so go ahead and remove this. Let's repeat another time. Remove the remove again. So remove this, remove, because it's just a double-sided tape. Then the next part. Okay, the next is to position the helmet. But I'm not sure if I can be able to see the alignment from this visor, because it's a colored visor, so I'll try my best to align them nicely, but to be honest I can't see anything. So it's okay, I'll just put this piece of paper underneath. Okay, at least I can see it now. Looks like I can't do it without the light, so I'll go ahead and install this freehand. Yep, I think that's about right. So let's go ahead and install this. Okay, next is to remove this blue tag, and we're done. As simple as that. So next is to remove the front, and we're good to go. Antifog insert has been installed. So right here I have boiling water, a very hot boiling water. So I'll be placing my helmet over the boiling water to show you that this will actually fog up on the sides. So let's go ahead, put this in carefully. So as you can see on the top here, it has already begun fogging. Inside the middle is not fogging at all. So let's turn it to the side. So as you can see that the side is actually fogging up, but it's not fogging at the place where I place the anti-fog visor. So this is a very cheap option to be doing because it has anti-fog purpose, and you don't require any any pin locks to install. So let's open it up, and you can see that this part is fogging, but not here. So it's a very good product. Once I put the visor over the hot water, you can see that the sides is actually fogging up very fast, but not the place where I place the anti-fog. So this will really help you in cold weathers or rainy days and keep you safe while riding. So this is a very good product that is worth investing. This might save your life. So thank you for watching again. So this is the WeePro anti-fog visor, the anti-fog inserts for visor that doesn't have any pin lock. So stay tuned for more products review, and stay tuned for more next time. Bye.